Delhi High Court directs hospital to give information on daily admission discharges of COVID patients, says choking of beds happening. The Delhi High Court Saturday directed all hospitals in the national capital to provide information on daily admissions and discharge of COVID-19 patients and of those admitted to over 10 days since April 1st. A concern was raised in the country regarding optimal utilization of ICU and oxygenated beds and ICU beds in hospitals and nursing homes across Delhi. A bench of Justice Vipin Sanghi and Rekha Pali, which led a 4-hour-long special hearing on the holiday on various issues relating to COVID-19 situation, said it appeared there is a choking of bed taking place in the hospital and nursing homes. Looking into the dread and shortages of bed, particularly oxygen beds and beds in ICU, we considered it necessary to have this aspect looked into as there are allegations of malpractice of patients not being discharged despite having recovered from the COVID-19 disease, the bench said. It said we direct the medical superintendents, owners, doctors of all hospitals and nursing homes, including those of Delhi Government Center and private, to place details of the number of COVID-19 patients admitted and discharged each day. It said the number of hospital beds available on the portal shall separately show how many of them are oxygenated and non-oxygenated. From what has emerged, it is well known that one who contracts COVID-19 takes about 10 to 14 days to recover in normal course. About 10% of them requires hospitalization and 1% of them affected persons are likely to require greater medical interventions and admission to ICU, the court noted. Delhi Government Council Satyakam submitted that in Delhi there are a total of 20,938 beds of COVID-19 patients as on date in all hospitals here, and the data included non-oxygenated and oxygenated ICU beds. To this, the bench said looking to this number every day of sustainable numbers of beds should become available for the patient, but that does not appear to be happening. The patients who require hospitalization with oxygen support should normally be in a hospital to leave the hospital within 8 to 10 days subject to the condition unless it's worsened and requires ICU, the court said. Adding that in most cases, COVID-19 resolves itself in 10 days to 2 weeks with medicines. However, it appears that there is choking of beds taking place in hospital and nursing home, the bench said. Senior advocate Rahul Mehra, representing the Delhi government, showed an office ordered by Directorate General of Health Services on the new discharge policy and also a document of the medical director of LNGP Hospital, which stated that patients are staying in hospitals beyond 7 days. It said for commercial considerations, some hospitals reduce capital expenditure on things like oxygen plants, which are essential in a hospital, especially the big ones, and it is irresponsible not to have such plans. Another plea was mentioned by Dwarka Court Bar Association President YP Singh, seeking to make Operation Indira Gandhi Hospital in Dwarka, which has been under consideration from the last 8 years and near completion now, would be accommodate 1700 beds. The court asked the government to take instructions on this and apprise it with the development.